So this is my brother Iker, and he's my 2-year-old brother, and he's gonna be playing with this slime. So I don't know how big this is. It's like about the whole bottle, or it's like about bottle or 2 of glue. So yeah, because I actually didn't make this slime, I just mixed all the ones I had already had. Well, I actually did make it because like I made the other ones. I mixed all of my slime, and this is how it turned out to be. So yeah, what do you think? For him it's sticky since he's not used to playing slime yet. So yeah, that's my other brother. His name is Ryan. Wait, hold on. Let me stretch it out. Ariete, move. Ah! Oh, shh. Stop it, Junior. Stop it. Don't touch it. It's color blue. His name is Junior, and yeah, he is my 4-year-old.
I go to
Don't stretch it out. Sit it down close. It's actually warm. It was kind of hard, so I put hot water on it. So yeah, that's a good strategy, guys. If you make slime and it's hard, just put it in hot water. Not so long, but just put it in hot water. Let's see. You okay?
Okay.
Alright. So while they play with that. But yeah, guys, so thanks for watching this video. It was kind of short, but yeah, so there they are flying. And yeah, my brother's not that tall. He was using that. And then my other brother's on that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be careful, don't do that. But thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you actually like this slime.
Yeah, comment down below and subscribe.
Oh, look what happened to him. He fell. His skateboard.
Move out the way.
Oh God. Woo! Be careful. But yeah, guys, so thanks for watching, and until next time. Say bye, Iker.
Bye.
Say bye, Junior.
Bye.